Shock sets!
It's a new day at the Spitfire Factory and two-seater flights are underway. Today, World War II veterans have been invited to the hangar for a special D-Day celebration.
We're extremely patriotic here.
It's a big day for team historian Robin Brooks.
We're expecting about 12 veterans, which is quite a good selection of guys, all of them well into their 90s. One is even 100, so he will definitely need an easy chair. We've got the Jeeps there for them to create the atmosphere of D-Day. We're hoping to fly one in the MJ772 today.
MJ772 is a newly restored Mark IX Spitfire that took part in D-Day 75 years ago. During the Normandy campaign, she was flown by a Free French squadron.
Here is an original photograph of 341, the Alsace Free French Squadron, which was taken at RAF Merston just prior to D-Day. I'm going to put this on the Jeep.
All set to go. And the first to arrive is rifleman Ken Hay.
I'm just shaking the hand of a true gentleman.
Ken fought in Normandy, where he was captured, operating behind enemy lines.
I'm the only army bod here.
No, we'll have two of you here.
Good.
Which is good, so you'll have company.
They're all red jobs over here, aren't they? All blue jobs.
Mainly, yeah, Brooklyn boys.
Of course.
Hello, Alan. I'm very pleased to meet you again.
Spitfire ace Alan Scott is a veteran of the 1943 Malta campaign, with 6 confirmed kills to his name. Squadron leader Jack Lawrence was a wireless operator shot down in 1943, who famously escaped the Nazis 3 times. And George Dunn, the new local hero, since the team found out he flew their Greek Spitfire in 1947.
I think it's very important that we can gather these people together and get their stories while we can.
The Heritage Hangar, as you know, we are always pleased to have you veterans here, and today is extremely special because we do have an aircraft that actually flew over the D-Day beaches, flown by Sergeant Habib, and we are extremely pleased to have the French Air Attaché here. It's our tribute to all you gentlemen who did so much for all of us during the war, and we are very, very pleased to have you, and long may it continue. Okay, so thank you very much indeed. Thank you. Could I have the French Air Attaché in the middle, please?
Photo op completed, it's time to fly. 97-year-old Spitfire reconnaissance pilot John Musselwhite is going up in the Spitfire, while other veterans get to watch from the air. John last flew a Spitfire in 1946, and once in the air, he'll get to take the controls again. Never too old for a barrel roll.
A great experience. I've not been up in a two-seater Spitfire before. That was something. Well, I was thrilled when Robin asked me whether I would like to go out.
Have a safe journey home and enjoy your birthday next week.
It's been a great start to the Spitfire Factory's D-Day anniversary celebrations.
They've all gone home happy, and that's what we like.